Once the best model has been created, what we'll do is we'll save the model. So using Pickle, we are saving the model here. For this, we need to import Pickle. To do this, we'll make it very simple. The first step is we'll create a file name. Okay, in that file only we are going to store. Okay, the second step is we'll convert the model into bytecodes and save it in the file which I have already created. This process is called pickling. To use this file or deploy in the client side, what we will do here is we'll convert the bytecodes back into the object. This process is called unpickling. Final underscore linear dot save is the file name given. Here the dump function saves the train model present in the regressor into the file name or the bytecode. Remember, regressor contains the trained model, I mean the best model, and file name contains the bytecode, converted bytecode. Okay. To use the model or deploy the model, what we will do? We'll do unpickling. So unpickling is done by the pickle.load function. As we know, the bytecode is present in the final underscore linear dot save, right? That will pass here as an argument to pickle.load function. Now the converted bytecode is stored in the loaded underscore model. As we know already, we made the model to learn using both the inputs and the outputs, like for 3.1 years, the salary amount, like that, right? Now imagine this is real time and we are going to make the model predict by giving the input. So our the converted bytecode is in the loaded model, right? So using that we are going to predict a function and we are going to give the input. Say for example 30 or 40 whatever, okay, and we are going to do the prediction. That prediction will be stored in the result. When we change the input, we could see the prediction. So the input is number of years 25, 15, 30, and down here gives the salary, prediction of salary. You can see the bytecode is created and wherever you want you can use or deploy it.